Here are 5 bad practices when protecting a factory or a building. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. The first bad practice is not having any security measures in place. This is a major mistake and leaves the building completely vulnerable. Number 2, relying on just a single security measure. Relying on just one measure, such as a single basic lock or a single security camera, can make it easy for a determined intruder to breach the building's security. Number 3, ignoring maintenance and upkeep of any security system. Security systems require regular maintenance and upkeep to ensure they are working properly. Ignoring this can result in malfunctioning security systems that are ineffective at preventing intrusion. Number 4, not training employees in security protocols. Employees should be trained in security measures such as proper locking up procedures and how to handle sensitive information. Not providing adequate training can increase the risk of security breaches. And number 5, not regularly reviewing and updating your security measures. Security threats evolve over time, and security measures need to be reviewed and updated regularly to keep up to date with these changes. If you would like to know more about protecting a building or your factory, why not download our guide to buildings?